Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Nightly News. My name is JJ.
And my name is Caleb, and you're watching the best source of information and updates about Hills Academy.
Well, Caleb, we finally did it. We finally got through this crazy year. Was it just me, or did this year go by faster than normal?
It did, because we had so much activities to do, especially like Jekyll Island.
I know. Everyone is excited to hear how that went, so let's take a look.
So in summary, we had a great time. We learned a lot and had some incredible experiences. Thank you everyone who helped make it possible.
And thank you everyone who has donated your time or finances to make this crazy year, a little better. We also had a fundraiser car wash this month with some student help and adult volunteers. Thank you, Desi Detailing, for your generosity. We received lots of compliments on your work.
Much like compliments we've received about some of our best students. JJ?
Yes?
Aren't you the Knight of the Month?
What? Yeah.
Let's take a look at JJ and Malik, Student of the Month.
Hello, my name is JJ Kabai. I'm from Hills Academy, and today I'll be interviewing Mr. Richard Bumpers, Mr. Coach Somerville, Mr. Thompson, Mr. Thomas C. Dean III, Ms. Ruth Wilson.
My name is JJ Kabai. I'm in the 6th grade and I'm here from Ohio. One thing I like about the school is that it gives you plenty of opportunities to be successful. In my free time, I like to play video games and basketball. In my future, I want to find a way to stop whales from being hunted. And I'm your Knight of the Month. Thank you for nominating me.
My name is Malik Robinson. I am a high school student at Hills Academy, and I am in the 11th grade. With the director of my school and family, I'm learning to become responsible for my education growth and continuous development. In my spare time, I love to go skating, play video games with friends, and bowling. I enjoy learning about car designs and performance. Getting my high school diploma will help me have a successful future.
Congratulations, Malik.
And congratulations, JJ. You both deserve it.
Thank you very much. The students of Hills are on fire.
And that's partly because of how hot it's getting. And nothing feels better on a hot day than water.
Right after we're done recording, we'll be going outside and having a water balloon fight for those of us who are still here on the last day of school.
And the last week we had a sports day, which means some great times outside.
Well, everyone, thanks for watching. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, right?
Oh, nothing much. Just a little thing. It's called graduation, but I don't think anybody really cares about that.
I have the honor, the distinct privilege of being your MC this afternoon. And without further ado, what I would like to do is just say Hills Academy's, just to welcome you to Hills Academy's Honor Night and Ceremony.
Just so proud of Elijah and William. You guys have done a fine job. But I think I know why he got a little choked up. It's hot in here and he's looking like a poet from France, so. We'll be acknowledging students who have exemplified those pillars as well. We will also be acknowledging the students who have been recognized as Knight and King of the Month. Ms. Carroll will be doing the high school honors. And most improved and exemplary students in specific subject areas. Lastly, we'll be acknowledging those students who participated in Hills Academy Athletic Department and then our MVPs in that department.
As I told you guys when I spoke to you guys last week, what I see is doctors, I see lawyers, I see architects, I see business owners, I see multi-millionaires, I see billionaires, I see nurses, I see top chefs, I see difference makers, I see men that are striving to be the best, and I also see parents who are cheering for them. Let me tell you that these young men in their life, they will experience disappointment, they will experience setbacks, they will experience mountains, and they will experience valleys. But one thing that they will always remember is they will remember the day that you cheered for them. So give these young men a cheer. I'm going to say something. I'm going to say, it's in you. And then young men, I want you to respond, it's in me. It's in you. Let me say that again, it's in you. See, that acorn on the surface is just a nut. But inside that acorn, there's no tree. We have to look at our young men differently. We got to see what they can be and not get caught up in what people say that they are. That acorn, spiritually in the Bible, acorn is something that means strength. It means hope. That means if you look at that acorn for just a nut, you miss that that acorn can become a forest. See, that's our young men right there. So let me say it again. It's in you. It's in me. Say, it's in you. It's in me.
And it says, in closing, I would like to honor Hills Academy for what they have given me. I would like to call Miss Airborne, Miss Tiffany, please come up here. So in honor for being the first student and graduating senior of Hills Academy, I would like to present a check for $3,000 to establish the Rogers Scholarship Foundation.
But I would like to say just in closing remarks that, like Mr. Burmell said, we don't do these things for ourselves. We do them to impact others. Hills Academy wasn't a thing I woke up one day and had a dream. I didn't grow up as a student, class president, none of that stuff. Mr. Hilburn was a class clown. But when you start a journey with Christ, you never know where you're gonna go. And so this is just the path that he led me to. And all I say is every time I see parents, I say, I thank you for entrusting me with your greatest gift.
To the graduate, to Jamal, and to all the graduates, and to all of you. I hope you never lose your sense of wonder. May you get your fill to eat, but always keep that hunger. May you never take one single breath for granted. God forbid love ever leave you empty-handed. I hope you still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Whenever one door closes, I hope two more open. Promise me that you'll get faith of fighting chance. And when you get the choice to sit it out or dance, I hope you dare.
If you want to see the full ceremony, don't forget to check out our YouTube page and please like and subscribe.
Thank you everyone for sharing a part of your night with us.
And thank you everyone for being a part of Nightly News in our first ever year.
Congratulations to all the graduates, and we hope you have a fantastic summer. Good
Good
night,
night,
everyone.
everyone.